Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop your screen from turning off in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is powered on and fully loaded. Wait for everything to boot up completely so you can access all the settings without any issues. This ensures the system is ready to make the changes we need. Once your PC is ready, we'll navigate to the power settings where you can control when your screen turns off. Start by clicking on the Windows Start menu located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. When the menu opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type power settings directly into this search bar. This will bring up relevant results related to power management on your system. From the search results that appear, look for the option labeled Power and Sleep Settings and click on it. This will take you directly to your system's power configuration page where you can adjust how your computer handles sleep and screen timeout settings. This section is specifically designed to give you control over when your display goes dark and when your PC enters sleep mode. Now, once you're in the power and sleep settings window, direct your attention to the screen section. You'll see a drop-down menu right beneath it that says when plugged in, turn off after. This setting controls how long your screen stays active when your computer is connected to a power source. By default, Windows might have this set to turn off after a certain number of minutes to save energy, but we're going to change that now. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see various time intervals ranging from 1 minute to several hours. To prevent your screen from turning off automatically, simply scroll through the options and select Never. By choosing this option, your screen will stay on indefinitely as long as your computer is plugged in and active. This is particularly useful if you're presenting, monitoring something, or just prefer to manually turn off your display when you're done. And that's it, you've successfully configured your Windows 11 system to keep the screen on at all times when plugged in. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.